everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be learning about virtual machines, host OS, guest OS, and also we will be learning to download one of the virtual machines, which is Oracle VM VirtualBox. So, first of all, we should know that what are virtual machines. So, a virtual machine or VM is a software environment that emulates a computer system including hardware components and an operating system or OS. Some of the examples are Oracle VM VirtualBox, VMware, etc. The host OS. The host OS is the operating system that runs directly on the physical computer hardware and manages the resources of computers such as memory, CPU, storage, etc. Now, at last, the guest OS. The guest OS is the operating system that runs within the virtual machine environment and is isolated from the host OS and other guest OSs running on the same physical machine. Now we will be learning to download Oracle VM VirtualBox. For this we open any web browser. Here we will be searching for Oracle VM VirtualBox and we will be opening the first website, which is www.virtualbox.org. After opening this website, we will be clicking on the downloads option present in the left pane. Here, first we will let it load and then we will click on the suitable options under the 7.0.6 platform packages according to your operating system. Since I am on a Windows operating system, I will click on Windows hosts. Then we wait for it to download. Now we will be opening that file. It may ask for some prompt. You have to click on yes. It is a setup wizard. Just click on the next option. Again next. Click on the yes option. If any such question is asked, then again click on yes. Now if you have some thing to check, then you can click on the back option and see it, and if you are sure, then click on the install option. You need to wait for several minutes. It will be installed. I will also open and show its interface. Now such interface appears that do we need to start this application after installation? Then you can left it ticked or you can untick it, then click on the finish option. This one will be installed on your host operating system. This is the interface of Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. We will be learning about it in our next video. Also in the next video, we will be learning how to install any operating system on a virtual machine. I thank you all for watching this video. Now, please like this video, share it to those you think need it, and also subscribe it so that you will get notified when I post my next video, because my next video will be more interesting and wonderful.